So hey guys, I got this huge box of stuff from Beadalon. I'm so excited to open it. If you guys don't already know, Beadalon is my favorite brand of wire, and they always send me some amazing wires and tools to try out for my channel. Beadalon is also the sponsor of Live Wires for the Win, which is the new reality elimination show for wire artists that's coming up, going to be airing in September, and the grand prize is $500 worth of Beadalon wire and tools. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Just gonna open that up with the X-Acto knife and not cut myself. This is a very large box. So there we go. Woo! Lots of bubble wrap. I can always use that for shipping Etsy orders. Just remove all that stuff. Whee! That'll be fun. Oh my goodness, they sent some kits and wires. So let's start with the wires. Oh, fantastic. Some 16 gauge wire. That's just what I need. And then my 24 gauge wire that I use for wrapping. And 18 gauge wire, which is fantastic for rings. More 18 gauge and 20, which is sort of my favorite wire that I use all the time. So that's awesome. And this is what I was really excited about too. I asked them about their wire writing system because I had done a video on how to make wire letters with the regular artistic wire deluxe jig kit, and so now here's a kit on how to do the letters with a wire writing system. So look out for a video. I'm going to test that out coming soon. And oh, I'm so excited for this one too. This is the really big jig. So you can make all kinds of like larger sun catcher size items, and I am super excited to try that. So look out for some more tutorials coming soon using a really big jig. And thank you Beadalon so much for always sending me this amazing stuff. I just love the tools, I love the wire, and we'll see you guys the next time. Bye.